everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. In this session, I will explain how to create a simple website-based program that function as a healthy tracker or water reminder. This program is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making it perfect for beginners who want to create a useful web application. Before we get into the technical parts, let's first understand the basic concept of a healthy tracker. Essentially, this application helps users manage their drinking schedule, reminds them when it's time to drink water, and records their daily water intake. This helps users maintain a good hydration habit. In this project, we create several main features, including a home page, a drinking reminder page, a notification page, and a tracker page to record water consumption. All these features are designed to be simple but functional. Before we get into the technical parts, let's first understand the basic concept of a healthy tracker. Essentially, this application helps users manage their drinking schedule, reminds them when it's time to drink water, and records their daily water intake. This helps users maintain a good hydration habit.
First, I create a folder, then gave it the name Water Reminder Main. In this part, I'm going to walk you through the structure of the project that I'm using for this healthy tracker website. If organized the file so everything is easy to manage and understand. At the top, you can see several HTML files such as index.html, reminder HTML, notification HTML, tracker HTML, about HTML, and benefit HTML. Each of these files represents a different page of the website, so user can navigate between features like the reminder and tracker smoothly. Below that, there is styled CSS file which handles the visual design of the website, and a script.js file where the main logic will be written, such as the timer, notification, and the water tracker function. Separating the project like this: HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for functionally, help keep everything clean and makes the development process much easier. Now let's move in the HTML section. HTML or hypertext markup language from the basic structure of every page on this website. In the index.html file, I divide the page into the several main parts. The first part is a header. This usually contains the title or the name of the website so users eventually know where they are. Next, we have the navigation bar. Create using the nav element. This navigation contains like the other page such as the reminder page, the notification page, and the tracker page. This makes it easy for users to switch between pictures. And then we have the main content section. This is where the main text, information, or button for the homepage are placed. I keep the structure simple and concise to page looks clean and easy to flow. If we take a look at the reminder page, you see that the structure is similar, but this page includes a simple form. From in HTML use the from tag, and inside it we add input elements like time or buttons. This allows users to set their reminder schedule directly from the page. On the tracker page, I create a section where users can record the amount of water they drink. This is done using combination of containers and and interactive element, and each page still follow the same clean and consistent layout. This consistency is important because it makes the entire website feel connected and user-friendly. Let's take a look at the CSS file. CSS or Cascading Style Sheet is used to style and design the website. At the top of the file, I see the basic styles such as the font family, background color, margins, and spacing. These global settings make sure the entire website looks clean and easy to crowd. Then I styled the header and the navigation bar. Here I adjust the color, the next size, and the spacing so that the navigation looks neat and easy to read. For the buttons, I did padding, rounded corner, and hover effect so that when the user places their cursor over a button, its lengthy change appearance. Small detail like this make the website feel more interactive. I also added styling for containers, notification, and other elements so everything is aligned properly and visually balanced. Even though the CSS user here is very simple, it still makes the website look clean, organized, and pleasant for user. Now I'm moving on the JavaScript file, which is the part responsible for all the interactive behavior in this website. In this file, I handle things like the navigation toggle, the reminder feature, and the tracker updates. JavaScript allows the element in the HTML to actually respond to user actions, so whenever a button is clicked or a value change, the logic written here will immediately update what the user sees on the screen. This makes the website feel more dynamic and functional, not just a static layout. In this reminder and tracker section, the JavaScript code listens for input, process the data, and displays the result directly in the interface. Even though the logic is simple, it is the whole project together by connecting the structure from HTML and the design from CSS into a working picture. With just a few functions, the website becomes interactive and able to support real-time updates that help users track their hydration more efficiently. And this is the result of running our simple website.
Creating a web-based healthy tracker is not difficult. By understanding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can create simple yet useful applications such as this water reminder. Of course, this website can be developed further. We can add grabs, login system, alarm zones, or even integrate with health APIs. But as a foundation, this project is more than enough for school assignment or self-learning. Thank you for watching this video. We hope our explanation helps you create a similar project.